Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have lots of fun. We're going to do a hot dog party buffet. With all the ingredients that I show you, you probably can make up to 50,000 different combinations of hot dog sandwiches. Lots of fun. Or you could do your usual. You could do the Philly hot dog. You could do Seattle cream cheese hot dog. You can make the Greek hot dog, which is feta cheese, tomatoes, black olive. Or you just be totally creative on your own and do your own thing. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. You'll get all my notifications for all my new videos. Okay, let's get started with the party. So we're going to start with bacon. That's probably going to take the longest. And then you're going to put the bacon across the pan like this. And we're going to make it nice and crunchy so we can break it apart to put on the hot dogs. Lay it across the top like that if you want. Okay, so the bacon's all ready. The oven's at 400, and we're going to put it in there until the bacon is crispy. Take a bag of sauerkraut, drain it, and then put it in the microwave to warm up the sauerkraut. Be good old relish. I love Mountain Olive. Take it and put it in a container. Have your puppy. Okay. Now I took the bacon and crunched it all up. Just crunch right up in your hands like that. Relish, sauerkraut, heated, bacon. This could be bacon bits, it'd be a lot easier. And just buy a bottle of bacon bits. Throw them in here. And sweet peppers, which is actually hot today. Feta cheese, cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack with jalapeno peppers. Okay, so this is how far we go. Put this all to the side. This is cheese whiz, and this is chili. I'm going to do the onions, green peppers, relish, sauerkraut, bacon, and sweet peppers. Almost ready. It's getting there. Going to get the rolls ready. Double pans like this, and it comes with handy lid. Okay, we're ready for the hot dog buffet party.